Well, I got this U.S. military truck from Banggood in China. Actually, it was their USA warehouse I got it from. So it only took about a week or so to get here. And they just really usually comes wrapped in some plastic and stuff like that. But this time they just kind of slapped my address on the label there and sent it. Kind of put it over the instructions, but I think I can figure it out. But I've been looking at these things for a while on Banggood, and I see some that are about 500 bucks or so, and this one was about 50. So I think the other ones that are 500 bucks have more metal in them and stuff like that. But it's an interesting looking truck. Not sure how to run, but I figure I'd do an opening on it, and it shows also that it's got. Sorry. It's got the camera there. So, and it says it has a camera. Now, the one I bought didn't say it had a camera, so I guess you'll find out with me if it's got a camera or not. So, let's open this thing up and see what it looks like. All right, pull a trusty knife out here and cut this thing. Cut that thing. This side. And this side. Hopefully nothing's broke. So we got some stuff on the bottom here too. That's a tough one to cut. Anyways, let's pull it out. There's the, looks like from the beginning. Pull this thing out of there. And there's nothing else in the box there. USB and something, screwdriver and maybe an axle, you know. Nothing in there. There's the controller. It's like your normal controller. Kind of light feeling though. Instruction booklet. Nothing in those. And the truck. Give you a look at the truck here. Mostly plastic. It's all plastic actually. And you see it's got the 6-wheel drive. On-off switch. It's pretty basic. Just can you open the doors? Mirrors come out. Doors open up. Or come out. Doors open. That's where your battery goes, I believe. And looks nice. Looks like it's got a couple LED lights on the back and on the front. So what I have to do is charge up the batteries. Hopefully the battery is in the battery pack here, inside here. We'll take that out and find out. Charge it up and see if it runs. Alright, let's open this battery pack up. And there is our battery, little guy. I think I've got a bigger one around somewhere maybe, but we'll charge this thing up and then try this thing out. And here's the little bag of items. Come with it. This is a USB charger for the battery. So we'll hook that up. A little screwdriver, I guess, to get in and out of that. I already had one. An Allen wrench. And I'm not really sure what that's for. I have to look in the instructions. Maybe I'll figure out what that thing's for. Alright, the remote control. Already pulled the screw out of there. So the remote control takes 3 batteries, 3 AA batteries. So I stole one from another RC's remote because my wife's always complaining about me using up all the batteries. So I figure I'll just reuse some I already have. So anyways, put those 3 in there like you normally do, and a little screw back in there. Why they always have these little screws, I don't know. I guess it just helps hold it in, but it seems to snap in pretty good. So anyways, that's the batteries. And we got a red light. Still charging the other battery. We're going to time it and see how long it takes. It's been about 10 minutes so far. And we'll come back when it gets charged and put the battery in it and fire this thing up here on the desk and see how this thing performs in the rough terrain. It's a 6x6, so it ought to do pretty good. I like it. It looks nice. So it's a nice looking truck. So, I guess it's just a plain Jane. If you get the expensive models, they come with more metal and stuff on them or whatever. Maybe you can upgrade this too. So I don't know. But anyways, we'll react back when the battery's charged. Alright, I figured out what this thing is for. Couldn't really figure it out before. It goes in here, clicks in somehow. That way or that way. Clicks in, fake antenna. I guess that's where you put the antenna for the video camera that did not come with it. And the video camera plugs on the back of here. And I guess that's the plug there for the video camera, so I guess it is wired for it if you want to go ahead and get it, but I don't know, I don't think so. Maybe later. And then this would be where you put the antenna for the video camera to receive its signal there. So I guess this covers it up until you get that. So charge the battery, and it's got this little power cord that goes in. I plugged it in my computer and let it charge it took about an hour and 45 minutes to charge for the little red light that's in here to go out. The red light will be on, and when it's charged it goes out. So it took about an hour and a half, hour 45 minutes. So anyways, we'll undo that. Well, I guess I won't not undo that. And then you plug this into here. Easier. Okay, plug that into there. And that goes on there. Pop this thing back on. We'll stick that in, we'll fire this up and see how it runs right up here. Anyways, we'll got everything hooked up. We'll turn the switch on here if you can see it, so it's on. And the lights start flashing. And we'll turn this on here. And we have positive thing. Let's see if the wheels turn. Oh. Well, I wrecked it. Thing goes faster than I thought it would. So it's a nice crash, huh? It goes pretty quick. Anyways, we'll move it to the floor and see how it works there. You can see the thing's proportional, so it can go slow or fast. Just the real lights don't work. Just the front ones. Front ones work, nope.